Hello, everyone, and welcome to Market Wrap with Tata. Today is the 6th of February, and we have had a fantastic week, right? जिस तरह हम खड़े थे लास्ट हफ्ते और जिस तरह हम खड़े हैं इस हफ्ते, उसमें जमीन आसमान का फर्क है और इस जमीन और आसमान के बीच किसका फायदा हुआ है? डेफिनेटली बुल्स का। और जो अब रो रहे हैं अपने घरों में, दे आर द बैरिश कैंप एंड दे आर वंडरिंग कि अपना टाइम कब आएगा, बट देन आई डोंट थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू कम अराउंड एंड द वे द bears are getting smashed is only getting fiercer and fiercer. What we are seeing right now on the overall market space is the way the budget is getting help from the market scenario and the way we are looking at the markets. हमने देखा है कि bulls are definitely in the driver's seat. It has been helped by the strong budget which has come in favor of a growth oriented budget, and we are also seeing the RBI policy maintaining a neutral stance. So overall we are looking at a constant fueling of more upside. तो इसके बीच जिन्होंने भी बजट के पहले हफ्ते शॉर्ट किया था उनकी सब पोजीशंस में एक प्रॉब्लम आ गई है, एंड राइट नाउ वी आर हैविंग अ गुड बाइंग इंटरेस्ट कपल्ड विद लॉट ऑफ शॉर्ट कवरिंग एक्शन। तो इस माहौल में आगे जाना काफी संभव है, लेकिन इस मुकाम पे आपको देखना है कि आर यू गोइंग टू कीप बाइंग एट हायर लेवल्स और आर यू आल्सो गोइंग टू यूज डिप्स एज बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट द सिनेरियो इज लुकिंग लाइक। और जैसे कि मैं देख रहा हूं कि ऑप्शन चेंज में भी बता रहा है कि द न्यू support zones for the Nifty is around 14,400 and the new support for Bank Nifty is around 34,000. So इस दोनों के बीच अभी हमें देखना है कि कौन सा इंडेक्स और आगे चलेगा। और जैसे हम चार्ट देख रहे हैं उसमें नजर आ रहा है कि बैंक निफ्टी की दौर और चल सकती है। सो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक अ लुक एट द चार्ट, बट बिफोर दैट लेट्स गो एंड टेक अ लुक एट व्हाट हैपेंड ऑन फ्राइडे। ऑन फ्राइडे all the banks were doing quite well and they were leading from the front, and you can see that the strong recovery which happened over the last week has clearly indicated that the bank nifty is not done up. You are going to experience more upside, and we are definitely looking at bank nifty to take the fuel more and more to the upside. So now where the overall prospects of going up is on the cards, let's go in and find out what does the index has to say. Is everything looking as good as what it seems, या कोई दूसरे लेवल्स है जहां पर हमें काम करना है? ये सारी चीज हम डिस्कस करेंगे इंडेक्स एनालिसिस पे। सो लेट्स गो राइट इन एंड फाइंड आउट।
अभी जब भी हम देख रहे हैं इस वीडियो को तो हमें नजर आ रहा है कि जो निफ्टी की जो चार्ट है इट हैज वंस अगेन क्रिएटेड अ कंफ्यूजिंग सिचुएशन इन द सेंस दैट जो बुलिशनेस हम देख रहे थे ओवर द लास्ट 3 days and especially after the budget, you are seeing here that we had spoken about this gap up area which could come into test, and the strong move above 14,700 has definitely taken nifty towards the higher zone. But when I used a Fibonacci 2 point extension, so I am finding that right now Nifty is at an important spot here, and ये जो level है around 15,060, that could be an important target zone to watch out for. लेकिन अगर आप सिर्फ candlestick pattern देखेंगे, okay, let me just remove this for now. You can see here the overall candlestick pattern suggests एक spinning top जैसा formation है यहाँ पे. So the trend may come to a halt or it can produce a pullback. तो चलिए अगर ट्रेंड एक पुलबैक देगा तो कहाँ तक जा सकता है उसका जरा हम लोग स्टडी कर लेते हैं। अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये ओवरऑल सेटअप है। दिस इज द gap post budget, right? This is a gap post budget. So what I envisage is कि आगे चल के ये gap is going to be an important gap क्योंकि एक event gap है, and this event gap could act as a good support area, and that's why you're seeing that the next set of the option chain we are having a maximum pain point around 14,400, and this is a concentration point right now. So any dip, well, Nifty is definitely at much higher levels. So you can use dips. The first set of dips would be around 14,750, considering the extent of fall. And another thing to note is that there is a small value area here. Okay, You see here, यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा वैल्यू एरिया है. वैल्यू एरिया is a place on the charts where the supports have become resistance or the resistances have become support. And I find that around this area, around 14,700 to 750, you could definitely have a very good pullback opportunity. Overall market is bullish, but then आपको थोड़ी सावधानी से काम लेना पड़ेगा. And another factor which is adding to this element is the overall setup of the momentum indicator. तो यहाँ पे मैं देख रहा हूँ कि right now the momentum indicator looks a bit subdued, and if you just take a look at the lower panel and the spot where I have highlighted, यहाँ पे तीनों जो है ADX and the DMIs are all tending to drift lower. So there are possibilities of some profit booking emerging here, and if the profit booking does emerge, look at lower levels to buy into. तो ये lower levels तो हमने बात कर ली. अभी lower levels कहाँ से आएंगे? हम उसके लिए चलते हैं Neo Trader पे. So when you go and take a look into Neo Trader, so you will see that Neo Trader is offering us some opportunities. We had spoken about 15,060. So you can see that is coming as R2 to R3. R2 to R3 is around that zone. So you can see that around this area, to 15,000, around 50 to 15,100 can be taken as an upper end for a restricted move, which you are seeing right now. And around that 15,089 or 15,040, you will see that there is also some confluence building here with the R1 of multi-day. So that is an important contention here. तो 15,050 से लेकर 15,100 on the Nifty spot could be an important resistance area. So अब Nifty is just a shy touch below this pivot zone. So yes, we are expecting that it will cross the pivot zone, but then right now it is shy touch of the pivot zone. And at the lower levels, okay, at the lower levels, you have got here 14,900 as the first support zone. Then it goes down further in a 50-point decline. So every 50 points there is a support zone, but then we are concerned with 14,880. अगर 14,880 जब तक टूटता नहीं है for tomorrow, you got to use any dip towards this level and a rebound from there on as a buy opportunity. But then if 14,880 breaks, then look for a pullback towards 14,750, because that's where we are. 750 to 770 is where we are expecting the value area to kick in, और वहां पर even you are having the S3 here. So S3 value area ये सब combination पे it's a good pullback opportunity to buy for tomorrow. So that's the scenario on the Nifty. Now let's get into Bank Nifty and find out कि Bank Nifty में क्या situation है. हम देखेंगे Bank Nifty में that when the fall happened just before just before the budget, you can see here that there is a nice rounding pattern being formed. Okay, और इस rounding pattern का जो target है, okay, rounding pattern का जो target है, it has exactly gone and met the target last week. So ये जो rounding pattern का target है, वो target meet हो चुका है. सबको आशा है कि Bank Nifty will go further, it will go to new heights. But then yes, that is very much possible, and I am envisaging a target of around 38,000 on Bank Nifty, because the overall setup is very good. The large caps have also started kicking in. You are having fantastic moves from SBI, which has been quite dormant for such a long time. You have got fantastic moves emerging from ITC, which has been dormant for such a long time. So काफी सारे जो dormant stocks है, और large cap index itself has performed very well in the last few days. So it is giving a very good positive vibe. But हर एक vibe को immediately subscribe नहीं करना चाहिए. We have to ensure that we are looking at good opportunities to buy into, और इस point पर the gaps act very well. So immediate support for now in Bank Nifty is around this one, very small one, but around 35,500. And then you have this value area once again, like I pointed out in the Nifty. You can see here there's a nice value area here, which is around 34,780, and the next one is much deeper, which is around 34,000. So this is your next zone. So these are the three zones which we have to track during this week. And yes, Bank Nifty is also showing some rest right now, but then overall setup is definitely very encouraging. तो अगर आप daily chart पर भी देखेंगे बैंक निफ्टी का, you are seeing the possibility, okay, you are seeing a possibility of some profit booking emerging, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक इसे ड्रैगन फ्लाई डोजी कहते हैं, एंड दिस ड्रैगन फ्लाई डोजी ऑन द बैंक निफ्टी इज डेफिनेटली a sign of worry in the sense that there could be some profit booking emerging. न्यूज के पीछे markets fell, न्यूज के पीछे market rose. So now once some news flow have emerged, there could potentially be some profit booking, and those are the areas to watch out for, which I shared with you. But then let's go also take some reference from our friend NeoTrader and देखते हैं कि NeoTrader का क्या कहना है and how are we going to put two and two together. Okay, तो ये रहा आपके लिए NeoTrader के levels, and आप देखेंगे कि the Bank Nifty is currently very comfortably placed above S1, but then both Nifty and Bank Nifty are still below the pivot. So as we begin the week, this is a very good indication of what you can expect. What are you expecting right now? You are expecting that there could be some profit booking, right? So what does Nifty have to do? Nifty has to actually go below 35. Bank Nifty actually has to go below 35,400. Unless and until it goes below 35,400, you don't have to worry. And when you take a look at, so what essentially Bank Nifty has to do? Bank Nifty has to go below 35,400 for more decline to come in place. And if that does happen, then you have got levels of around 34,635 as the potential target, right? We're speaking about 34,600. अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे, this was the first step around 35,400, and you will have the first step here, which is coinciding with around 35,200 here, and then you have got 34,700. So now you know that yes, there is a potential to move much lower and S3 is your potential target. So Bank Nifty looks this week, at the start of this week, to be much more softer than Nifty. So yes, there could be some profit booking, but then I have shown you levels where you can buy, and those are the levels to watch out for. Let me just go over the levels again. You can see here, these are the levels on the pullback zones in Bank Nifty, and you can see here, this is the first pullback zone, which if it breaks, will go to the next zone around 14,750.
तो आपने देखा कि चार्ट्स पे काफी इंटरेस्टिंग सेटअप है। वीकली चार्ट्स जो निफ्टी का बता रहा है कि काफी तेजी से एक लंबा सा कैंडल बन गया है पिछले हफ्ते का। सो इस टाइम पे अगर आपको बाय करना हो तो आपको थोड़ी चेतावनी से बाय करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि एक पुलबैक आने की संभावना है। एंड द वे द ओवरऑल सेटअप इज लुकिंग लाइक it is looking to be a continued dip buy opportunity. So even when you take a look at the daily charts are indicating some bit of hesitancy, and that's what I discussed with you. So overall prospects looks very interesting, and this is what I wanted to share with you. Going into the next week, we are going to be looking at a strong bullish scenario. So use every dips to buy into. Dip levels जो दिए बताया मैंने उसको जरूर यूज करना, and that's how you will be able to engage with the market. Thank you for watching this video. Do share this video with as many people as possible, because this kind of structured analysis is not done anywhere on the internet. If you're watching this video for the first time, I would like you to hit a like and comment on this particular video, because I know that you will be coming back for more, and I'll be waiting for you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Stay safe. This is Raja Venkatraman signing off. I'm the founder of NeoTrader and also your trading influencer. Been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. Thank you.